my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Right, so we've already got our tip on. I have used the full cover ballerina in long. These are brilliant just to be showing off some nail art. I've applied that with the clear titanium build gel. So I can go in now with my white base. I'm using Dove from the Prophecy range. A naughty stray hair sticking out there. I'll trim that off in a second. So come down with your first coat and then pop that into the lamp for me, please, Sam. Hair seems to have gone back in, behaving itself. So we're going to do 2 coats of our Dove. Okay, and in with our second coat. Okay, pop that in for me, please, there. And once that comes out of the lamp, we're going to be adding a layer of the Velvet Matte top coat. Okay, so that is in the lamp curing, and I'm going to be using the Ombre Pigment in purple. So this does come with 2 of your applicators, depending on what I'm doing with it though. I sometimes like to use a brush. This has got a beautiful gold shimmer. You can actually see that on the camera. This is beautiful. I like to use just an old eyeshadow brush. I usually use this for all my neon pigments. So really give it a good scrub on some kitchen towels, some newspaper. Not newspaper. What word am I looking for? Napkins. Not toilet paper. Kitchen we don't roll. Use to that. I said kitchen roll. I don't know. Give it a good clean. Make sure that there's no excess pigment on there before doing this. Right, I'm going to do a little sweep all the way over. So I'm just going to kind of pat this into position. Always use a little bit because you can keep adding to it. I mean, you can, if you go completely wrong, you can just wipe it off with some of your Kiwi cleanser. But I really want to keep the colour quite condensed in the middle. And obviously, as I'm patting, it's naturally going to get lighter above and below. So I'm only going, I'm only patting quite hard in the middle section of it, and it just naturally fades out. And look at that gold shimmer. So you really do need the velvet base for this, whether you want a matte nail or not. You need the velvet base for this to kind of work into. You press it into that velvety texture. There we go. Right, I'm going to pop all lids on. Oh, that's nice. I'm glad I went for purple. Really glad I went for purple. And just with the slightly bigger end, I'm just going to dust away any excess. Right, so I'm going to top coat this again. So because of what I'm going to be doing on top of this, I do need another velvet base. Because I'm going to be drawing the flowers and then blending them out. I need that velvet base to work on, but I can't work on top of this, otherwise I'll wipe away my pigment. So we're going to seal that in with another velvet base. If I was just leaving it as this and I wanted a shiny top coat, I would just go straight in with the high shine top coat. Bang that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. But because I am doing more artwork on top, I want to work with another velvety base. So I've got, oh, am I using this colour? I don't know. I'm definitely using a door from the Flower Power range. I think, maybe. Pinks and purples are not my area of expertise. I tend not to work with pinks and purples. It's black and blue. Right, chuck that one out for me, please, Sam. Right, let's go in with flower pot first. So I'm actually using, don't tell Dave, I'm actually using my mini 3D acrylic brush, but we're not going to tell Dave about this, are we? No, of course we're not. And I'm just going to draw some flowers. Right, so once I've got, so the middle of my flower is going to be right here. So I'm going to pop the colour right in the very centre. And if I was my base coat, I would be to my left. I'm going to get some base coat. You can use top coat for this as well. Anything clear. I'm just going to pop that on the back of my thumb. Again, don't tell Dave. I'm just going to pop that on the back of my thumb, pop some into my brush. And I'm going to use this to blend out the pink. So as we start pulling away, the pink will get more and more diluted. And we're just going to start forming a petal shape. I am going to tidy this up as well, so I'm going to make it come more into a point. And that also helps keep it nice and fresh. So I get my brush into a point. I'm just going to come right from that corner, sweep up, same again, this side, sweep up and just sharpen off those lines. Right, bang that in the lamp, just a fresh cure for me, please, Sam. So by sweeping up the sides as well, what it does is it kind of overloads the edges of the petals, just makes it a little bit crisper, a little bit more defined. Only need to do a fresh cure and then we can get on to the next petal, so that can come out again, please, Sam. So a little bit of pink, and again we'll start next to that. You can position your flowers and your petals however and wherever you want. Back in with the top coat, and I'm just going to start pulling. Start pulling and blending. I mean, if you want a more obvious flower, just either use a darker colour or don't blend it out with your top or your base coat. 10 seconds, please, Sam. I want these to be quite subtle, kind of like they've been watercolour. That's the word I'm looking for. Kind of like a watercolour effect, which I guess this is because you're diluting it just with base coat. Okay, pop that out, please, Sam. I generally do maybe 5 petals. Don't ever make your flowers symmetrical, that's going to be too far over there. So let's just bring that over there. Okay, back into top coat. Yeah, I generally do 5 petals on a flower. This makes it look more natural. Okay, 10 seconds, please, Sam. Now, do I use another colour for another flower, or do I stick with the pink? What do you think, Sam?
I have no idea.
No, the kitten's out. She's playing with Lando. Oh.
Lando's like, what do I do?
Our kitten has just started going outside. Well, I say just started going out. She's been allowed out since March. What was that, like 2-3 months ago? Yeah, I popped that one out, Sam. But she chooses not to. She chooses not to go out.
She doesn't like it when it's cold. She wants to be out in the warm.
Oh, she chooses not to go out. She knows at home she's got the food and the bed and the fusses. She doesn't need to go out. Why would you go out into the wilderness, into the unknown? Okay, blend, 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 blend. Open that up. Okay, 10 seconds please, Sam, and then one more in the middle. Bum, bum, bum. Keep bringing your brush back into its point. It helps. Okay, so I can come out.
Oh, sorry.
So, last one, make sure I'm in shot. Fabulous. Base coat, run out base coat. You was going to put it in the lamp then, weren't you?
Oh,
Behave, behave.
Automatic.
Behave. And then blend that out again. Base coat, top coat, whatever you've got. It can sometimes work if you want to use like kiwi cleanser. It does sometimes work, but I find it can sometimes react quite funny with the gel polish, and it makes it very pigmenty, if that's a word. I definitely find it works better with top or base coat. Right, Sam. I think I wasn't. I don't know. This is probably where I'm going to mess it up. I wasn't going to do another flower, but I think I might just do like half a flower here, just like 2 petals of it. So I'm not going to flash cure these ones just because it's not going to need it. So make sure you blend that colour out. So we really want it sharp colour on the inside, fading out into nothing. I mean, again, you don't have to fade it out into nothing. You can fade it out into a softer pink all the way around, or introduce another colour instead of blending out with base coat. You could just use another colour and blend the 2 colours together. That would look quite nice. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, bang them in the lamp, please, Sam. Right, so for the centre of these flowers, a couple of options you could do. I'm just going to use a dotting tool and some white polish just on the centre. You have to ignore the state of my dotting tool. It has seen better days, guys. Alternatively, you could top coat and embed some crystals in there, some little micro crystals. Add a little bit of glitter in there, some caviar beads. Choice is yours. I'm going to keep it simple and just use the white dove and just make sure you add them in all. I don't like that, it's too big. If you do go a little bit heavy-handed, like so, just use a bit of your kiwi cleanser. Everything is cured, it's all good, it's not going to go anywhere. There we go. Smaller, small, Lisa, small taps, small. I'm so heavy-handed sometimes. Let's get in shot as well, sometimes that helps. Right, bang that in for me, please, Sam. And when that's cured, you can use your top coat of your choosing. Top coat of your choosing. We can go classic, we can go matte, we can go, obviously we've got all the matte finish, they've got all the gold flakes and the rose gold flakes and the silver flakes. There is, oh, is it called Sorcery? It is called Sorcery, that's got the glitter flakes in it. There's Hocus Pocus, there's Witchcraft, there's Wizardry, there's loads. I'm going to keep it simple. We're going to go for the classic no white top coat. Non-white top coat. Keeping it classic. What about here? Oh, bloody Nora. Better mess that up, wouldn't I? Hate it when that happens. There we go. Oh, look at that pigment, guys. See, now you can really see the gold in that pigment come through. Wipe off excess. There we go. Really stretch that top coat out, avoid any bulking. There we go. Don't know if you can pick up that gold. You can just, yeah, there you can. shimmer. Right, Sam, pop that in the lamp for me, please. Pop that out. And I'm going to finish this off with a drop of...
sorry.
That's all right. Oh, every time too much. Every time. You can never have too much of this stuff, let's be honest. Oh, I can't speak, Sam. Let's be honest. I love that. I love that.
That's really pretty.
And that in the natural sunlight is gonna sparkle. It won't focus. I'm hoping you can pick up that gold in that. It won't focus, for crying out loud. It's in there somewhere. The gold sparkle is in there somewhere. That's really nice and subtle. So don't forget to go and check out these products on the Nailchemy website. These ombre pigment.
Ombre pigments.
I give up. Can you speak for me, please? These ombre pigments, I've got them on my nails as well, even though they are a little bit trashed. They are my favourite thing to work with at the minute. Nailchemy released them a long time ago, and I feel like I've only just discovered them. So, yes, I've been having a lot of fun with these lately, so go and check them out. Hope you've enjoyed that, guys. If you do any recreations, anything of your own kind of style, I'm really sorry, I don't know why this isn't focusing. Make sure you post it in the Nailchemy Facebook group and tag everyone. Make everyone see your creations.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.